So from your home screen, you're going to want to go into Sonar. You're going to go to more options. You're going to go up here to see Stop Sonar. You're going to make sure that little orange triangle's out of there. And there you can see the sonar scrolling. So there you go, guys. Just a real quick, right to the point video on an issue I had with my Lowrance unit after I downloaded the latest software version. So if you're having this problem, that's how to resolve it. I also had to go into the down scan and make sure that was turned on as well. Same thing, more options, and there you can see Stop Sonar. So you don't want that little orange triangle like that. That'll stop it. For whatever reason, I don't know, after I downloaded the latest version, this is the problem I had with mine. My sonar stopped. So there you go, guys. Hopefully you'll like the video. If you like the video, like the video.